Hi, parents and teachers. I wanted to send a quick video about how to access our ebooks and audiobooks. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so you can see what I'm doing here. If you go to delcolibraries.org, you'll come to our homepage. Scroll down just a little bit, and on the left you will see download ebooks and audiobooks. From there, you'll get the whole list of ebooks and audiobook collections that we own. And Overdrive is by far the largest collection and provider of ebooks and audiobooks for the county. Overdrive can be downloaded to your computer or your portable device. If you get the Libby app, makes it simple to look at ebooks and audiobooks on your phone or iPad. Just quickly, let me show you. I have my account set up and set to go to kids. So you can see how easily it is to see book titles. And then I would just click borrow and my kids would be quickly reading an ebook or audiobook. If you scroll down a little bit after Overdrive and Libby, we're going to go to Capstone Interactive. Capstone Interactive are some new books we bought over the summer. 125 titles, mainly science and diverse titles. These books are simultaneous use, so they're always here. It doesn't matter if someone else has them checked out, your child can always read them. That's Capstone Interactive. Another great ebook and audiobook collection is from the state called Bookflix.
Click on a category. Or click on the feature to begin.
If you click on Bookflix, sorry about that, what you can do is watch a video of the fiction book or read the nonfiction book. And you can see over here, there's some puzzles and things that go along with that. Explore the web. They give you some links to other spots you can enjoy about the same thing. Oh, let me go back to my list. Here we go. So that's Bookflix. TrueFlix is another thing provided for by the state, and TrueFlix is for a little older kids. I'd say 3rd to 5th grade, 3rd to 5th grade. You click on a title, and what you get is you get the new True book that you can read, a nonfiction book about the subject, and you can watch a very short video about the subject. So that's TrueFlix. And get back to my list here. Last but not least, Tumble Books. Many of you already know about Tumble Books because they have such great storybooks and read-alongs for the little guys. But this now has numerous ebooks, and I just wanted to show you. These are also simultaneous use. They're always available. They now have a lot of Kate DiCamillo books on here. Some other things. They also are collecting graphic novels, and they have a bunch of the Geronimo Stilton. I know your kids love those. So again, makes it simple to use. Click and read. You can bookmark where you're at for when you come back. But as you can see, you can easily look at the ebooks that way. So anyway, that's a quick look at how to find our ebooks and audiobooks on delcolibraries.org. If you need any help getting started, please don't hesitate to call Delaware County Libraries, and we'll be able to help you. Thanks.